Ford's truck lineup is heading toward one of its biggest shakeups in years, and 2027 is starting to look like the turning point many owners have been waiting for. After years of complaints surrounding the company's 10-speed automatic transmissions, major reports and industry chatter suggest Ford is preparing serious changes to its powertrains, diesel strategy, and transmission technology, especially for the Superduty lineup. For many truck buyers, this is not just another model year refresh. It could be the moment Ford finally addresses one of the most criticized mechanical issues in its modern lineup: the behavior of the 10R80 and 10R140 10-speed automatic transmissions. From harsh shifting and gear hunting to reliability concerns and expensive repairs, the 10-speed story has become impossible to ignore. Now, with rumors of a new transmission system, a massive new 8.0 power-stroke diesel, sequential turbocharging, expanded tremor packages, and a new affordable electric midsize truck, 2027 may represent Ford's biggest truck reset since the aluminum body F-150 revolution. Let's break down what is coming and why it matters so much. Why Ford's 10-speed transmission became such a big problem. When Ford introduced its modern 10-speed automatic transmission, expectations were extremely high. More gears were supposed to mean better fuel economy, smoother acceleration, stronger towing performance, and improved overall efficiency. On paper, it made perfect sense. The 10R80 became widely used in the F-150, Expedition, Mustang, Ranger, and several SUVs. The heavier-duty 10R140 was introduced for Superduty trucks to handle massive torque loads from the power-stroke diesel engines. But reality became far more complicated. Many owners began reporting rough shifts, hesitation, delayed engagement, harsh downshifts, and what became commonly known as gear hunting. The transmission constantly searching for the right gear instead of delivering smooth power. This issue became especially frustrating while towing, climbing grades, or driving in stop-and-go traffic. Truck owners spending $70,000 to $100,000 on heavy-duty pickups understandably expected better refinement. Automotive transmission specialist and industry analyst David Chow explains that high gear count transmissions often create a difficult balance between efficiency and drivability. The more ratios you add, the more software calibration matters. If the tuning isn't perfect, drivers notice hesitation and constant shifting immediately. That has been one of the biggest criticisms of Ford's current system. Not necessarily the hardware alone, but the calibration and real-world behavior. For loyal Ford buyers, frustration grew because these issues often appeared in trucks marketed as the toughest and most dependable work vehicles on the road. Reports suggest Ford is preparing to move beyond the 10-speed or. Now comes the big news. Industry reports strongly suggest Ford is developing new transmission technology for its heavy-duty lineup, potentially replacing the current 10R140 setup with a next-generation gearbox designed specifically to improve durability, reduce unnecessary shifting, and handle the power demands of a much larger diesel engine. This is significant. Rather than continuing to refine the current system indefinitely, Ford appears to be preparing a more fundamental solution. The goal seems clear: fewer complaints, stronger towing confidence, better reliability, and smoother performance under heavy load. Experts believe this next-generation transmission may focus less on chasing maximum gear count and more on smarter power delivery. Transmission engineer Michael Stanton notes, "Customers do not care how many gears a truck has if it doesn't feel right. What matters is smooth torque delivery, confidence while towing, and long-term durability." That statement perfectly reflects what Ford must solve. Truck buyers want confidence, not complexity. If Ford moves toward a redesigned heavy-duty transmission strategy, it could restore major trust among Superduty owners. The end of the 6.7L Power Stroke? Perhaps the most surprising rumor involves Ford's legendary 6.7-liter Power Stroke diesel. This engine has been the backbone of Ford's Superduty diesel lineup for roughly 15 years and has built a strong reputation for torque, towing capability, and commercial-grade performance. But reports now suggest Ford may be preparing to replace it with an all-new 8.0-liter Power Stroke diesel. That would be a massive change. A jump from 6.7 liters to 8.0 liters signals far more than a simple update. It suggests a major strategic shift aimed at staying ahead in the heavy-duty diesel war against competitors like the Ram heavy-duty Cummins lineup and the Chevrolet Silverado HD, GMC Sierra HD Duramax family. Why would Ford do this? Because heavy-duty buyers continue demanding more. More towing, more payload, more torque, more confidence under extreme conditions. The diesel truck market is fiercely competitive, and numbers matter. If Ford launches an 8.0 Power Stroke, expectations would immediately center around major increases in horsepower and torque, potentially pushing Superduty performance to a new level. Diesel powertrain consultant Mark Reynolds explains, "In heavy-duty trucks, torque is king. Buyers compare numbers immediately. A larger displacement diesel signals capability before the truck even moves. That psychological factor is real. A bigger engine sends a powerful message. Ford knows that. Sequential turbocharging could be the real game changer. An even bigger story may be the rumored sequential turbocharging system expected to accompany the new diesel engine. This could be where the real magic happens. Sequential turbos use multiple turbochargers that operate at different engine speeds, improving low-end response while maintaining massive top-end airflow. That means faster spool-up, stronger low RPM torque, improved towing performance, and less turbo lag. For truck owners pulling heavy trailers, this matters enormously. Nobody wants hesitation when merging onto a highway with 20,000 pounds behind them. Sequential turbocharging could deliver immediate pulling power while still supporting huge horsepower gains at higher RPM. Powertrain engineer Jason Mills describes it this way. A properly designed sequential turbo diesel feels strong everywhere. It removes the lazy feeling some big diesels have off the line. That is exactly what Ford needs if it wants the next Superduty to feel like a true generational leap. A bigger engine alone is impressive. A bigger engine with smarter turbocharging changes the entire driving experience. 2027 Superduty could become much more flexible. Ford is also expected to make major improvements to the 2027 Superduty lineup itself, not just under the hood. One of the most talked about changes involves expanded availability of the Tremor off-road package. Previously, Tremor configurations often required buyers to move up to more expensive trims, limiting access for work-focused truck customers who wanted capability without luxury pricing. That may finally change. Reports suggest lower trims like the XL could gain Tremor availability, along with long bed Tremor configurations. This is a big deal. Contractors, ranchers, fleet buyers, and off-road work users often want capability first, not leather dashboards. Giving them access to Tremor without forcing premium trim upgrades makes practical sense and could drive major sales. Ford is also expected to increase configuration freedom overall, allowing customers to build trucks that better match real-world needs instead of forcing unwanted package combinations. This has been a long-standing complaint among heavy-duty buyers. More freedom means happier customers. And in the Platinum trim, reports point toward even more luxury-focused upgrades. That means Ford is continuing its two-track strategy. Maximum work capability for some buyers, premium luxury for others. The Superduty is no longer just a work truck. For many buyers, it is both office and lifestyle vehicle. Ford clearly understands that. The 2027 affordable electric pickup could shock the market. While diesel headlines dominate attention, Ford's electric strategy for 2027 may be equally important. Reports indicate a new mid-size electric pickup, priced around the $30,000 range, is expected to enter production at the Louisville assembly plant. If true, this could be huge. The current Ford F-150 Lightning is impressive, but affordability remains one of the biggest barriers to EV truck adoption. Many buyers simply cannot justify premium EV pricing. A smaller, cheaper electric truck changes that conversation. Instead of competing only in the premium full-size EV segment, Ford could attack the affordable midsize market, a space with enormous potential. Industry strategist Laura Simmons explains, "The first automaker that delivers a truly useful and affordable electric pickup wins a completely different customer base. That is where the volume opportunity exists." She is right. This would not just be about replacing gasoline trucks. It could bring entirely new buyers into the Ford ecosystem. Small business owners, younger buyers, urban contractors, and first-time truck owners could all see this as a realistic option. That matters far more than luxury EV headlines. Ford's universal EV production system signals a bigger strategy. Behind the scenes, Ford is investing heavily in what it calls the universal EV production system. This may sound like factory jargon, but it could shape the entire future of the company. The goal is simpler, faster, cheaper EV manufacturing. Instead of building electric vehicles with overly complex production methods, Ford wants a more flexible system that improves efficiency and lowers costs. That is essential if affordable EV trucks are going to succeed. EV adoption is not just about battery technology, it is about manufacturing economics. If Ford can reduce production complexity while scaling output, it creates room for aggressive pricing without destroying profitability. That is the real challenge. Legacy automakers have learned that building EVs profitably is much harder than simply launching them. 2027 may be the year Ford begins solving that equation. What happened to the 2027 F-150 redesign? Interestingly, while Superduty changes appear aggressive, the next generation Ford F-150 may actually be delayed. Originally expected around 2027, reports now suggest the full redesign may slide closer to 2028. That tells us something important. Ford may be prioritizing heavy-duty trucks and new EV platforms first. From a business standpoint, that makes sense. Super-duty trucks generate enormous profit margins, and solving transmission complaints there has immediate financial value. At the same time, affordable EV development is critical for long-term competitiveness. The F-150 remains the crown jewel, but Ford may be choosing strategic patience instead of rushing a redesign. That could actually be smart. A delayed redesign is better than a rushed one, especially when customer expectations are this high. Why 2027 could define Ford's next decade? When you step back and look at the full picture, 2027 is not just another model year. It looks like a strategic reset. Ford appears to be attacking its biggest pain points and biggest opportunities at the same time. Fixing transmission frustrations, replacing aging diesel architecture, introducing next-generation turbocharging, expanding Super Duty capability options, launching affordable electric trucks, rebuilding manufacturing around EV efficiency. That is not normal yearly product planning. That is a roadmap for the next decade. If Ford executes well, it could strengthen its leadership in trucks while also creating a serious bridge into the next era of electrification. If it misses, competitors will move fast. The stakes are enormous. Final thoughts. For years, truck owners have asked the same question. Why hasn't Ford fully solved the 10-speed problem? 2027 may finally deliver the answer. Whether it is a new heavy-duty transmission, the rumored 8.0-liter power-stroke diesel, smarter sequential turbocharging, expanded tremor access, or a breakthrough affordable EV pickup, Ford appears ready to make much bigger moves than simple refreshes. This is the kind of change that reshapes buyer loyalty. Truck customers remember reliability. They remember frustration. And they absolutely remember when a manufacturer finally gets it right. If Ford truly ends the era of 10-speed complaints and replaces it with stronger, smoother, smarter engineering, 2027 could become one of the most important years in modern truck history. For Ford fans and for skeptics watching closely, that is a story worth following.